This is our ballroom course. I know you guys very professional in Latin by now. Oleg did a great job with you. I'm a professional ballroom dancer, so I'll give you a little taste of ballroom dancing. First of all, it's very different from Latin. I'll give you a few differences right away. First, your feet. You know, you're always in first position. In Latin, we don't allow this in ballroom. In ballroom, feet always together. This is called sixth position in ballet. So everything we're gonna do, we have to close our feet. And in any kind of dancing or position, they will be parallel to each other. So if they are open, they're not open like this. They all open in the same sixth position, or side, or back, or even when you go across diagonal, the feet never gonna be twisted. They always will be parallel to each other. Rule number one. Again, first position in Latin, you're probably used to this by now.